In this video, we will cover some fundamental JavaScript concepts like variables, arrays, functions, objects, and loops. First of all, variables. We have variables three types: var, let, constant. Var, let are used to store the data which is rechangeable. But in constant, if we use constant keyword, the assigned value should not be changed in the program. For instance, we can declare a variable name with let or where or constant, depending on whether we need it to be reasonable or constant. So here I use where data type and given a variable name and assigned a string John, and let using let keyword I used age and age key which is 25. With constant I used country variable name. I assigned it to India. So now console.log is to print the output which is given within the parenthesis. So I'll printing name, age, country. So now we will discuss about arrays. Arrays are in JavaScript. Arrays are Java, not only JavaScript. In arrays, there are two types: one-dimensional arrays and multi-dimensional arrays. Arrays which allows us to store multiple values in a single variable, such as I'll give a list of fruits, such as list of fruits like apple, banana, mango. Arrays come with various methods like push to add elements. If you want to if you want to add element to an array, we would push keyword, and I declare a array fruits, and I printed by using console.log, and the output is this. Now we will move on to the functions. Functions are a reusable block of code. Functions can be written traditionally using the function keyword or more concisely with arrow functions. For example, greet. Now, functions which are reusable block of codes. Function can be written traditionally using the function keyword or move concisely with arrow functions. For example, greet in this I declare a function with function keyword and my function name is greet. I'm passing parameter name, and I returning a value hello plus name. Now the console.log uh, will print, and before printing within parentheses I'll call the greet function with with passing parameters alias. So it will print hello alias. This is the one way, and this is the another way. Constant greet arrows is equal to name. In this way, we can also declare in two ways functions. One is this and one is this. Now we will move on to next thing. Now we will discuss objects about objects. Object which stores related data in key value pairs. Like here, let I created an object with object with name person, and I'll give the each name John, age 25, country India, and I also use the function inside the object. Now console.log person, it will print the name which is John. We will also see how this behaves differently in regular methods versus arrow function when we use it inside objects. Now lastly, we have loops here. Before going to that, I created uh, a function which is add and I passing parameters within parenthesis a comma b and I returning a plus b. So in console.log add I called add method and passing parameters 2 comma 3. So it will add the 2 plus 3, that is equal to 5. It will print the 5. Now we will lastly we will dive into loops such as for and while loops, which allow us to which loops are allow us to perform a task many times, which allow us to repeat code multiple times. For example, we can loop through an array and print each element using for loop. Here I use for loop to print the elements in the fruit array. So console.log fruit, I just printed my anything we will print in this single quotes comma which adds the output fruits square braces I. It will takes the it will retrieves the data from the array given array. This is the for loop, and now we will discuss about while loop. While loop, here we used while loop. The while loop I initialized count variable with 0 and I wrote a condition which is the heart of the while loop. Now I'll printing a numbers, random numbers. So console.log will print the some numbers like 0 1 2 3, so that but here we gave condition count must be less than 3. So the console.log will print 0 1 2, and we will incrementing every time the loop will while running we incrementing every time count variable with 1. So these are the loops for loop while loop. Thank you.